Everybody, welcome back to another video about Axie Infinity. What's going on in the Axie Infinity, guys? Let me show you. And this video I'm talking about the price changes occur in the Axie Infinity. What will be the price of Axie Infinity at the last of August? Let me show you, guys. But guys, before starting this video, please click now the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for a new videos update and notification, guys. Axie Infinity from the 1st August, these are also a trending coin in the market, and a lot of people are now investing in Axie Infinity, Smooth Low Potion, and even I think another coin is a Shiba Inu, Kesho Inu, and one of another coin which is nowadays very profitable, Setama Inu. Setama Inu is another profitable coin. Axie Infinity, Setama Inu, Smooth Low Potion, these are now trending coin in the market, guys. So if you want to invest, so now the Axie Infinity is a high price coin, but Setama Inu is a low price coin. So that's why I really recommend for all of you to invest now in Axie Infinity. Now guys, the price of Axie Infinity is $71.43 USD. That's really a huge price, a high price. That's why, guys, I'm really recommend for all of you that please do your own research before you are investing any coin, guys. So it is if you want to invest in Axie Infinity, so invest for a long term. Remember that. Every time you want to invest in a high price coin, so you have to invest for a long term. That's how you get profit, not loss. But if you invest in a long term for a short term, no, you lose your money in a waste. Guys, you can see here from the last 1 week, from the last 2 weeks, the Axie Infinity is in the positive mood. So absolutely every day, every hour, the price of Axie Infinity is increasing. That's why, guys, if you want to invest, so invest, but you have to sell at the last of 2021. That's how you get profit from Axie Infinity. Anyways, what you think about Axie Infinity, also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.